Finally, I got this freaking chest. It's about time I got it. No! No! Okay, trying out a new method with my mic and yeah. So I'll do episode 4 of Sir Skyville. Wait a second. It's still on hard, but there are like no mobs spawning at all. Hold on, just there we go. Just needed to be reminded. I almost totally fell off right there. Ooh, motherfucker almost knocked me off. And there should be mobs spawning there, but like... Alright. I believe that again. Oh my god, my nose is bothering me. Excuse me. Hold on. Okay. Maybe I'm better now. Oh, I just had like a sneeze attack. Like fucking crazy. You know, I got the tree there, as you can, like, fucking craziness. Wait a second. I wonder if, like, changing the texture pack will make this a little bit faster. Give me a second here. Alright, I'm back, and I'm just gonna use default for now. I don't think it's any much different, because, like, I'm getting the same frames, so I will be changing back for episode 5. I mean, I really like default, but like, I like faithful because it's basically like default, but like, better. I got quite a lot of cobblestones. I'll go to this one. Achievement get. Go to the goddamn place. I know you see me doing it like this when you see like most people do it like this, like what? But I don't trust this because you're at the corner. When you're at the corner, you tend to fall. Like there's a glitch sometimes where you fall out of the corner. Tell me I'm almost there. Jesus Christ. Put like almost 64 freaking blocks down. It's like, what the fuck? I need to get the better sprinting mod, cause sprinting sucks, asshole. Oh, I thought I almost killed myself right there. I was like, oh shit. I want at least like 25. That's it. I'm probably just gonna mine until this pickaxe breaks. The fuck? You see this shit? It's like the single player server is lagging. Watch. Everything's gonna happen like all at once. It's gonna be like, what the fuck? Let me just get a piece of dirt. Check that real quick. Okay, we're good. Nothing happened. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I was gonna say, not again. Oh shit, no. Gotta be kidding me. Give me a second. Well guys, this shit still isn't working for me, and oh shit, there we go. Oh shit, no. Okay, never mind. Well, now it don't matter because I can still continue. Yeah, I tried to put it for localhost, see if it would like actually get better, but no. Fucking shit. What the fuck? Just give me a second, guys. Oh, never mind. This shit is really pissing me off, yo. And I need food. if anything happens, I have all my shit here. -1, 2, 3.